In order to verify that something's a solution here, I'm going to write it down. I'm going to write down what y is. Y is cosine of x minus cosine of 2x, and I have to plug that into the equation. So you look at the equation, there's a y double prime, so I have to find y double prime. So let's see, y prime, the derivative of cosine is minus sine. The derivative of cosine of 2x, we're going to change to plus 2 sine of 2x. Okay, so that's y prime. And now I got to do it again. I got to find y double prime. So let's see, the derivative of minus sine x will be minus cosine x. And then we're going to get a plus 4 cosine of 2x. All right. So what we have to do is we have to plug in the green thing and the red thing into that equation. So I'm going to just copy down the equation again, and I'll put my color coding in here. So we want to know is y double prime plus y equal to 3 cosine of 2x. Alright, well I plug in the green thing. That's minus cosine x plus 4 cosine of 2x. I plug in the red thing, which was the original y. That's cosine x minus cosine of 2x. And we have to see, is that equal to 3 cosine of 2x? Okay. Notice I put parentheses around those things. I didn't really have to here, although it's not a bad idea. Okay. Now let's see, you simplify the left-hand side here. You notice that you got a minus cosine x plus cosine x, those cancel. And then you have 4 cosine of 2x plus a negative cosine of 2x. That is, in fact, 3 cosine of 2x. And that's what is on the right side. So that verifies that that particular function is a solution. Okay. Number 2, we want to translate this. So the acceleration dv dt is proportional to, so that means it's equal to some constant times whatever comes after it. And so it's proportional to the difference between 250 kilometers an hour and the velocity of the car. So it's k times 250 minus v. Okay. And it's sometimes confusing, the difference, should it be 250 minus v, or should it be v minus 250? Well, let's just think about it. For example, if v was 0, for example, okay, if the velocity was 0, okay, well, if you're going to start moving, that means you'd have a positive acceleration, which makes sense here. Right, assuming k is a positive constant, which we normally do. Dv dt would be k times 250. So yeah, so we're assuming that we're starting off with positive acceleration, which makes sense.